Have you ever wondered what it feels like to own a piece of the moon? Or maybe you've heard about cryptocurrencies and NFTs, but couldn't quite wrap your head around them. Today, we're diving into the world of lunar wallets, a fascinating concept that combines technology, space exploration, and ownership. A lunar wallet is essentially a digital container that allows you to store, manage, and trade lunar assets. These assets can include lunar real estate, lunar minerals, or even digital artwork inspired by the moon. Think of it as a digital bank account, but for the moon. The history of lunar wallets. The idea of owning lunar property might sound like science fiction, but it actually has a real-world basis. In 1967, the Outer Space Treaty established that no nation could claim ownership of the moon or any other celestial body. However, it didn't address the issue of individual ownership. This opened the door for companies and individuals to explore the concept of lunar property rights. How lunar wallets work. Lunar wallets utilize blockchain technology to ensure the security and transparency of transactions. Blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records all transactions in a way that makes it difficult to alter or hack. When you buy or sell a lunar asset, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain, creating a permanent record. Benefits of lunar wallets. Investment potential. Lunar assets could potentially be a lucrative investment. As space exploration continues to advance, the value of lunar resources may increase. Unique ownership. Owning a piece of the moon is a truly unique experience. It's a tangible connection to the cosmos. Support space exploration. By investing in lunar assets, you're indirectly supporting space exploration and research. Types of lunar assets. Lunar real estate. This could include plots of land on the moon or specific lunar features. Lunar minerals. These could be valuable resources like helium-3, which is a potential clean energy source. Lunar NFTs. These are digital assets that represent ownership of unique lunar-themed items or experiences. Challenges and considerations. While the concept of lunar wallets is exciting, there are also challenges to consider. Regulatory uncertainty. The legal landscape surrounding lunar property rights is still evolving. Technological limitations. Current technology may not be advanced enough to fully realize the potential of lunar wallets. Market volatility. The value of lunar assets could fluctuate significantly. The future of lunar wallets. As space exploration continues to accelerate, the future of lunar wallets looks promising. With advancements in technology and a growing interest in space-related ventures, lunar wallets could become a mainstream investment option. Lunar wallets offer a unique opportunity to own a piece of the moon and potentially benefit from the future of space exploration. While there are challenges to overcome, the potential rewards could be significant. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep looking up.